Before watch for the results. Now stay tuned. Good check. Good check. Y'all see. But what it do, squad? Y'all can see. Have these little shoes right here. YEEZY 350. Before, after. That's some products. But for those who new, you already know what to do. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Turn on.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Turn on the notification so you guys be notified for the next video. Without further ado, this is just start. Do squad, I'm back. That's my cousin, that's my sister in the back for those who are so curious. Yes! Other than that, let's just get started with these YEEZY 350. I'm gonna be using fire for the background. Hope I don't copyright. I'm gonna use Angela's paint. This is the icy body. Wondering what this is once again.
Well, obviously.
You okay?
Basically, see this yellow part?
Huh?
Basically, I am unsatisfied with the yellow. So, I have to get this back to its original. Y'all see it. Have a little bit of bleach and a little bit of dye. And a little bit of shoe cleans that I had left. Use a white.
Man, no fucking shit.
White towel, of course. Plastic. Other than that, and we sorry for all this. Other than that, we're just gonna get started. Put this to the side, and yeah, swing this to the side. Those who are on in, just a little bit of this, drinks that down.
That's what she said.
Swipe, we just gonna swipe. Ooh. See, we already in the zone.
Alright, we'll do it. Swipe. Bottom two. Be a gentle. I got some lights. And then I'm gonna have to find something. I don't know exactly what it's going to. I'll see, chat. I'm gonna come back to you.
Alright, I just got done. Just try to clean the best I can. This part, this. And I'm gonna ice it by like that. So basically, y'all couldn't see the other one. Kind of, you know, in our routine and process to get these going. I have to redo the bottom on those and give it like an hour or so, and we're gonna come back. But I'm gonna clean this one, so I'll be back. So, as y'all can see, I just got done cleaning this one. Just iced the bottom of this. Sadly, I got some stuff on there. I'm gonna try to get that off. Dad, we just really trying in my new camera today. I'm gonna put this more low, but there's gang right there.
How y'all been? How y'all doing?
He ain't talking about nothing. Chat, we back. Results. Like I said, it's gonna have to do another coat.
You serious?
It should be back to normal. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo that again. Probably on my day off, I need to fix that.